I'm going to share with you my powerful 3-step breathing technique for instant relaxation. And this is a very powerful exercise that I know has the possibility of changing your life. And that begins right now. Welcome back to another beautiful day on this little blue planet. And if this is the first time that you've watched one of my videos, then make sure that you subscribe to this channel because I make videos every single day. I'm going to jump right in and explain to you the technique. So it begins very simply. It's only 3 steps, and what you need to do is inhale as much as you possibly can for 4 seconds. Inhale a full breath as much as you possibly can. Get as much air into your lungs as you possibly can for 4 seconds. Then I want you to pause for 8 seconds. I want you to hold that breath, and it will be quite difficult because you have maximized your lung capacity, but I want you to try your best to hold that breath for 8 seconds. And then at the 8-second mark, I want you to very slowly begin exhaling, and I want you to exhale for 7 seconds. So if we were to do this together and I were to practice it with you, it would go a little something like this. And having done that even just one time, I already feel more relaxed, and I'm sure you may even be able to tell just from my voice. This is an incredibly powerful breathing technique, and it's something that I practice in my meditation classes very often. So if you want to experience the great benefits of this breathing exercise, then like I said before, inhale as much as you can for 4 seconds, hold your breath for 8 seconds, and then slowly exhale for 7 seconds. Especially in the beginning, take a very small move to begin exhaling for those 7 seconds. So if you notice, whenever I was holding my breath, as much as I wanted to just immediately blow it out, like, I recognize through this exercise that if you can transition from holding your breath into slowly exhaling, just very small exhale into a much more pronounced exhale, that it will lead you into a much more relaxing feeling. And if you continue to do this 3 or 4 times, I guarantee that you will feel much more relaxed, and you may even feel relaxed even after just doing it one time. And that's why this is an instantly relaxing breathing exercise, because you will notice if you practice this breathing technique with me that you will have those relaxing feelings for yourself. Having the ability to use an exercise like this to instantly relax yourself is so powerful, because we in our lives are confronted with very many situations where we may get overly stressed out, or we may be in a situation where we need to remain calm and relaxed, like whenever we're driving. And if we get overly emotional or frustrated and experience some road rage, then we could possibly hurt ourselves and maybe other people. So this exercise is incredibly effective during those moments of required relaxation, and in those moments whenever it may seem hard to relax. Using this breathing technique will help you to ease into the calming and relaxed feeling, and to be able to maintain it throughout your day. Subscribe to this channel if you would like more helpful tips like this one, because I make videos every single day. And make sure to smash the like button if this breathing technique worked for you, and if you like this video. And until the next one, I love you all. Peace.